Sir, good morning again. The result of the paraffin tests are all negative for the persons, 12 persons. Sir, even though if the person fired a gun, it will give a negative result because of several factors. Number one, for example, if you wear a gloves, of course the gunpowder residue will not embed the gunpowder nitrates on your hand. So that's why it will give you a negative result. Number two, the wind velocity. If the wind is strong enough that it will not embed to your hand, of course, the paraffin gas will give negative result. Second, the humidity. And third, the barrel of the gun. It is much more farther from your hand. The gunpowder residue will not land to your dorsal portion of your hand. And if you fire a gun to a horizontal against vertical, most probably the vertical will give you a positive, while the horizontal will give you a negative result. That are those factors, Your Honor.
Thank you for that explanation. Nakuha mo, Barangay Kapitan, na sabi ng crime lab, I'll rephrase ang sinasabi ng crime lab, yung sinasabi nila na negative for paraffin test, hindi yan ibig sabihin na hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Dahil may mga factors na pwede mangyari. Hindi mo pa sinabi yung isang factor na matanggal yan kapag mayroon kang ihugas na, ihugas na tanggal sa kamay mo. After ka pumutok, maghugas ka ng suka, ano ba yung mga style na yan? Sige nga.
Your Honor, I will negate that claim. It is because suka is an acetic acid which is insoluble doon sa, hindi niya madidissolve ang gunpowder residue.
Hindi ma-dissolve?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero matanggal? Pwede matanggal kung...
As a chemist, Your Honor, because I am a chemist by profession,
Okay.
and the nitrates will not dissolve, the acetic acid will not dissolve
Thank you.
gunpowder nitrates.
Thank you for that explanation.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, go ahead.
Sige, klaruhin lang natin uli, no? Sa PNP, and everybody can, again, for the record, talagang halos lahat ng suspect that were apprehended, nag-negative talaga. Wala ni isa. Pati doon sa ballistics, walang nag-positive, walang nag-match. Parang ang hirap pa, no, Mr. Chair, kasi kung, if they were apprehended on site, on that situation, so parang saan ang galing yung, ginamit na baril at sino yung mga pumutok. Siniklaim na ito ng kapitan, nakita ito si Master Sergeant na nandun din po. Can you explain?
Thank you, Senator JB.
Can
Your
you respond?
permission, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Ballistic examination is different from paraffin test, Your Honor.
Yeah, we know that.
The paraffin test,
Makakasabi niyo na
but
kasi
sir,
negative lahat eh. Wala
yes.
rin nag-match. So,
Yes, sir.
we just want for the record, because of the incident, na lahat ng nahuli nyo, lahat negative sa paraffin, pati sa ballistic, wala nag-match. So,
Your Honor, the firearms which we have examined did not match to those fired cartridges that were recovered at the crime scene. It means hindi po nagamit yung mga baril doon.
ibig sabihin, yung mga nagamit po doon sa mga lapas lang, ibang baril ang nagamit at iba rin po yung mga pumutok. Dahil yung mga suspect, negative lahat. Yung mga baril, wala hong nag-match doon sa inyong ballistics.
Probably, Your Honor.
Well, narinig yung explanation ng PNP, di ba?
Opo, sir.
It doesn't mean na negative siya sa powder burns ay hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Maraming factors
Opo.
na sinasabi niya.
Opo.
So, for the record, Crime Lab, did anybody influence you to make the results negative? For the record.
Thank you for the question, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Nobody will dictate the result of our examination, Your Honor, particularly, and anyone cannot dictate us because we are a man of science.
Thank you for that.
Recording in progress.
Thank you for that answer. Ako, para sa lahat. Ito, para sa lahat ito, ha? I've been the chief PNP. I've been the chief PNP. Lahat sigurong mga decision, prangkahan lang tayo dito. Including Rias, pwede ko makashare na aking sentimento at pwede akong pakinggan ng Rias pagdating sa decision making nila kung sinong i-dismiss o hindi. Pwede ko ma-influence yung si IDJ. Sabihan ko na si IDJ, tingnan nyo kung paano yan, alam na nyo. Ha? Pwede. Pero pagdating sa crime lab, ako, honest, swear to God, swear to Allah, sasabihan ka talaga ng crime lab na, sir, that is against our professional conduct. Hindi talaga yan pwedeng baguhin. At kami naman, nakakataas sa kanila sa crime lab, never din kami mag-attempt talaga kausapin silang baguhin yung kanilang results ng kanilang ginagawang investigasyon dahil kung ikakasira yan ng crime lab, ikakasira yan na buong PNP. Di ba? So nobody talaga kahit na kapatid ko magpa-drug test dyan, tapos positive, sa halimbawa, positive kapatid ko. Sabihan ka ng crime lab, sir, wala kami magawa dyan. Hindi ko talaga pwedeng gawing negative ito. Sa totoo lang ha, that's my honest declaration to everyone listening here. Dahil nga, kung meron mang the last institution ng PNP na pwedeng babalasubasin ng PNP leadership is the crime lab. That I can tell you straight in the eye. Never mong madidilute ang result ng crime lab. Aside from the professionalism of the people in the crime lab, science-based talaga yan sila. Hindi yan po pwedeng influence-based, kundi science-based talaga yung kanilang findings. So, kung magduda kayo, normal yan na magduda kayo. Lalo na ikaw, nakita mo talaga na puputok siya. Pero sabi nga ng crime lab, it doesn't mean na pag negative siya, hindi rin siya puputok. At alam ko, mayroong mga Supreme Court ruling dyan. Hindi ko na lang basahin dito. Pero alam ko may mga Supreme Court ruling dyan. So, as far as your discontentment, dissatisfaction with the results of crime lab, with that explanation coming from crime lab, ano ngayon masasabi mo? Nagdududa ka pa rin sa crime lab?
Excuse po,
Yeah,
sir.
go ahead.
Opo. Sir, meron po kaming isang witness po na nag-testify na rin po sa korte, nakasama po doon sa na-detain. Pero ibang kaso po siya, pero kasama na-detain doon. Nakita nila po bago parapin test, si Mamalapat, sila Boyong, pati yung kasama yung 12, naghugas muna sila. At nandun na rin sa korte yung kanyang testimony, sir. So, kaya nagdududat po talaga kami bakit po sila nag-negative.
Okay nga. Wala na tayong problema dyan. Nasa korte na yan. Nakapayal na kayo, di ba? Pero explanation nga ng crime lab, kahit na maghugas ka ng suka, hindi madidissolve yung nitrate na nakabaon dyan sa mga skin mo. Much more kung tubig lang ang hinugas, tubig at sabon. Hindi talaga matanggal yan. Kaya nga, anyway, you fight that in the court of law, yung allegation ninyo. Pero science-based itong sinasabi ng forensic expert natin na ganun talaga. Hindi talaga matanggal daw yun kahit na maghugas ka. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct, Your Honor.
Maghugas ka ng tubig at saka sabon, hindi pa rin matanggal yung nitrate dyan sa katawan mo?
Actually, Your Honor, when you use detergent or soap, the possibility na mag-positive ka dahil may oxidizers po yon.
Okay.
Pero kung wala, Your Honor, yung lang, suka, hindi, sir. Hindi talaga,
mga
sir.
meat na lang yun ng mga lumang pulis. Yung
Yes, Your
suka
Honor.
na yan.
Yes,
mga
Your
meat
Honor.
na lang yan. So,
Sir,
yes, go ahead.
dagdag ko lang doon po sa testimony ng aming witness, sir. Naghugas po sila ng sabon at saka alcohol po.
Alcohol.
Bago sila nagparapin test.
Alcohol.
Opo.
It will not change kung talagang gunpowder yun, sir. At saka oxidizers man.
It will not change daw. Ha? Please, mga kwan ito, chemical engineer ito, bago nagiging forensic expert. Kinuha yan ng PNP dahil sa kanilang expertise. So, at saka professional yan sila.
Cor-
Plus yung aking explanation kanina, na nobody talaga makaka-influensya dyan sa kung nila ginagawang examination.
Your Honor, I'm a forensic chemist, Your Honor. I'm not an engineer.
Hindi pala. Hindi ka pala chemical engineer, forensic chemist.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, chemist, Your Honor.
Thank you for that correction. So, ulitin ko. Aside doon sa pagdududa nyo sa forensics, yung particularly paraffin test, all other allegation na sinabi nyo doon sa press-con mo is binabawi mo.
Opo sir, dala lang po ng bugso ng damdamin po ng pamilya namin. Especially
Okay.
po sa kay Kap Idris po.
So thank you for that. Thank you for that. Salamat. So